Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome folding EDC knife from 704 Tactical. This is the Midnight Scout Lite. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome folding EDC knife from 704 Tactical and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at 704 Tactical for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Fits in the palm of my hand pretty comfortably. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Let's have a look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the width between both. Let's take a rough overall measurement with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 3.5 inches long. And now with the blade open. Ooh, just about the same length. And of course, back to vertical. And let's take a rough overall measurement with the blade open from the tip to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 6 inches long. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. Here's the thicker side. And it looks to be just about the same thickness as that. And if we run a ruler across it here, looks like it's a little bit thicker because of the roundness of the G10 scales. A little bit over 3/8, more like 7/16, almost half an inch. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the spine area. And that looks to be just a little bit thicker than a US nickel by a smidge. And let's see what that registers here. Just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 2.5 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 2.5 ounces feels like, well, if you have 3 AA batteries around the house, that'll get you pretty close. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. And it is a flipper lever. That's what this little fin is here, sticking up out of the top of the knife. A little bit of jimping in here so you can get a little bit more grip with your finger. And all you got to do is pull it back. This blade is pivoting on a ball bearing system, so it's very smooth and very quick for a knife of this size. Your locking mechanism is a liner lock. So if you follow the liner all the way around, you'll see right here on the left side, there's an arm that will swing over to the base of the blade when you open up the knife. And it locks it into place. To disengage the lock, you just move the arm on the side, and you can close it with one hand. Safe and easy. Let's have a look up front at this blade, starting off over in the thumb ramp area. And as you can see here, we got some jimping in the liner, and a little bit of a curve here for your thumb to sit in there. All right. Let me tip it sideways so you can see the aggressiveness of the jimping. Feels pretty good for a small blade. All right, we got a drop point blade here. Black finish. Really tactical looking, black on black. This blade incorporates a sharpening choil right down in here. And this helps you sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. And this is pretty much a flat grind right up to the shoulder here. So we have no curvature here. Pretty much flat. It's going to be very easy to sharpen and maintain and provides a really strong edge because there's more mass behind it. It's going to be a good slicer. Steel type being used is one of my old school favorites, D2. You got about 12% chromium in here. It's going to give you really good corrosion resistance. And with over 1.5% of carbon, sometimes even more, your wear resistance is going to be off the charts. Like the sharpness of your edge is going to last a long time. And as we're going to see, it does take a really nice edge. Let's have a look at these gorgeous milled black G10 scales. Also comes in a green. Here's a closer look at the texturing. All right, not too rough. All right, we have some milling here on the top and on the bottom. We saw earlier how there's a little curve for your thumb to fit in here. And watch how the curve of this grip just follows the lines of your hand. All right, you got space enough for 3 in here. And there's a little bit of a pommel for this finger to hook in, your ring finger. And you do have a lanyard hole back here in case you want to put one around there so your pinky has something to grab onto. But that's pretty much the real estate you got to grip onto. Pretty comfortable. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. That's going to carry real deep. Let me turn it sideways so you can see the profile. Not reversible. And this will be tip down carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife might look like when you jam it down in your pocket. It should completely disappear. There you go. There's a profile look. Back to the front. All right, let's test out this factory edge. Oh, not bad. Very minimal toothiness. Just glides right on through. And with an edge that sharp, we shouldn't have any problems getting through some paracord. Yeah, that belly really helps out. All right, let's finish up with cutting some cardboard. Oh, very good. Easy. Once again, guys, this has been the Midnight Scout Lite from 704 Tactical. Small, lightweight. This is going to be really easy to carry around in your pocket. And it's got a really comfortable handle for such a small knife and really great steel. If you're looking for a new budget EDC knife, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.